Hello everyone, Arjav and today I'm going to show you how to make crafts with circle shapes. This is a turtle, this is a teddy bear, this is a ladybug and this is a large bee. Small kids enjoy these crafts a lot. So let's start by making these one by one. So the first thing we are going to make is a bee, and for that you will need two yellow and two black circles cut out of paper of the same size. So to make the bigger circles I use the bigger jar lid, and then you will need 4 white semicircles. You can make semicircles by making 2 small white circles, for which I used this jar lid, and 2 cutouts of these small little antennas. They look like this. Glue, scissors and pens to draw the face. So let's start arranging and gluing these pieces. First, take the big circle cutouts and apply some glue on the black one, 2, and then stick it. This is how it looks from the back. Now we are going to do the same thing with the rest of the cutouts. Like this. And now take the 2 antennas, apply some glue at a little distance on the top, which is the yellow part, and carefully you will stick the antennas. Make sure that they are a little up, so when we flip it over we can see it. So now take your 4 semicircles, apply a little bit glue on them, only this much, and stick them like this. These are going to be the wings, and take the second one like this, and this time do the same thing over here. Like this. This is how it looks from the front side. And now we are going to draw the face. I will get the black pen for the eyes. Now I will draw the mouth. For this you can use cutouts too. So here is the bee. Buzz. Now we are going to make a turtle which is purely made out of circles. From 8 circles, or originally 10, because I am going to draw 2 circular eyes, so small kids can learn counting. So let's make. First, let me show you what all we need. Scissors for circle cutout, a pen or a marker or a sketch pen, and a glue. And we need a few circles, 4 very small for the legs, 1 big for shell, one more which is going to stick on the shell like this, and another of a little different color which is going to come on this, and 1 circle for the head. So let's make it. First, take the big circle and take the head cutout and apply a little bit glue on the front side of the head cutout. And stick it. Now you will take this circle which is going to stick on the shell, and before that let's glue this circle on the green one. Fix it around at the middle and apply glue on the green one now. And stick it somewhere around like this. Now we just have the legs to stick. So apply a little glue on the first leg. And glue it like this. Now we just have the eyes to draw. And there you go, the turtle is ready too. It has a shell, its head sticking out, and these legs. Now we are making a ladybug. So it is very easy too. You will need 2 red circles, semicircles. We just fold them in half and they are semicircles. 1 black circle for the head and a bigger black circle for the body, and 2 of these strips which we are going to roll into antennas. So let's start gluing. First, take the body circle and apply a little glue on the top part of 1 semicircle. And glue it in a slanted diagonal way, and do the same thing with this side. Like that. And now we are going to work on the head. So first we are going to make the antennas. We carefully curve and roll them only a little bit, so they look like antennas, like this. Now let's glue them on the head and stay on the front side of the antenna, and we are going to glue it with this. Now I'm using a whitener too, because I don't have googly eyes, and to make the white background of the eye. You can use googly eyes too. Now once it dries, I will do the the eye spots. And now we are going to make some black dots of different sizes all over the red part of the body. Alright, so let's check if it is dried. Yes, it's dried. So let's make the eyes. And now let's glue the head with the body. So apply a little bit glue on the bottom part of the head and stick it to the back part of the body. And there is the ladybug. Now we are making a cute little teddy bear. So we will need 6 circles for the body and 6 circles for the head. This big circle, we are going to use a big circle. This is going to be the tummy, and this is also going to be a part of the tummy. And these 4 are going to be the hands and the legs. Now let's talk about the head. We are going to use this big for the head. We will use this one and we will paste it over here like this. And these 4 are going to be for the ears. So let's start gluing everything. And we will need a marker to draw the face. First, we are going to make the body. Take the 2 circles and apply glue. Spread it. And we are going to stick it over it like this. This part should have a little bit blue and this shall have more. Now let's stick the hands and the legs. They shall not come over this red part. We have to make that sure. So here is the body, and now let's make the head. So let's grab the 2 circles, take the one which is going to stick with the head and apply glue on it and put it a little downwards. And now let's turn that paper over, and now let's take the smaller ear parts and apply the glue on half part of them like this. And stick it up again, do the same thing, apply on the half part and stick it. And now let's take the bigger ones. Don't apply glue on more than half of it. Apply a little less. From the front, it shall look like this. Alright, now let's draw the eyes and the mouth. And now let's stick these both parts together. Take the head and apply glue on little bit of it and stick it with the tummy. And there you go, your teddy bear is ready. Hope you all have enjoyed making these crafts, and if you want to make more such crafts, I have made another video related to these crafts. You can click over here to watch it. And if you want to watch more fun and interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like my video and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.